My name is Lyndon Gross. I'm an orthopedic surgeon trained in sports medicine. I work at the Orthopedic Center of St. Louis. I treat shoulders, elbows, and knees because I was fellowship trained in those areas. I believe that I can do the best for the patients. I'm one of the team physicians for St. Louis Cardinals. I'm involved in covering games, so I cover the home games in addition to taking care of all of the professional baseball players, both in the major league and minor league, that have any orthopedic problems, specifically dealing with shoulders, elbows, and knees.
I think what makes Dr. Gross an exceptional physician is his desire to be better. And I have seen him in surgery, and he is a perfectionist. He is concerned with making somebody better in the best way that is possible.
I like orthopedics because you have somebody that hurts themselves, they tear the rotator cuff, they break their leg, and you fix them and you make them better. And they can kind of, get back to the things that they want to do, and that's kind of rewarding.
The Gross team is unique because we all have an open line of communication. We all understand who comes first, and if there's any questions, we all are able to talk about it and discuss it. I love making people better and getting them back to their baseline and beyond.
What sets me aside from other orthopedic surgeons, number one, is my staff. I think my staff is excellent. I think that they go above and beyond the call of duty to make sure that any patient we see has an excellent experience at our office. They try to make sure that they get them through this traumatic episode in their life as safely and comfortably as possible. There's nothing surgery can't make worse. So obviously, if you're going to operate on somebody, make sure you're doing the right operation for the right diagnosis, and that you do the appropriate rehabilitation afterwards. Previous patients we've seen, we get a lot of our referrals actually from patients that have seen us before due to the fact that they have enjoyed the treatment they've gotten from both myself and my staff.
I was amazed, first of all, by the process of the surgery. I remember just being taken care of very well, and people were very helpful whenever I needed to, because I couldn't move my leg. Everyone, the nurse was very nice because I'm terrified of shots and I had to get a lot of them, IVs, all that. And so she was very nice and, encouraging, and Dr. Gross was great as well, and just the whole staff is just awesome.
I have family members that have been treated by other physicians for other conditions, and they're always frustrated when you call on the phone and you have to push 800 buttons in order to talk to somebody. And you'll never have that when you call us. As soon as you dial our phone number, you'll get somebody that answers the phone and knows the answer to your question. I think that's awesome.
And the reason why I went into orthopedics was to be able to treat these patients and get them back to activities, or get them back to what they needed to do after being injured.